Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equations 4 power x multiplied by 4 power x equals 36. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. So this forms is in the form of, suppose we have a multiplied by a, so this equals a raised to power 2. Then, so by taking 4 power x, we have 4 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals 36. Then by rule of exponent, so we can just multiply this together as 4 power of 2x equals 36. And so from here, let's introduce logarithm to both sides. So by introducing log, we have this as log 4 raised to power of 2x equals log 36. So let's say we have log p raised to power n, so this equals n multiplied by log p. So by applying it to this, we have this as 2x multiplied by log 4 equals log 36. And by dividing both sides by log 4, so we apply it in both sides. So log 4 cancelled log 4. Then here becomes 2x equals log of, so 36 here we can write it as 4 multiplied by 9. So that is 36 divided by log 4. So in the next step we have 2x equals, so we have to apply the rule of logarithm here. If you have log a multiplied by b, so this equals log a plus log b. So therefore we have log 4 plus log 9 divided by log 4. So after having this, we can separate this as 2x equals log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 9 divided by log 4. Then log 4 cancelled log 4. We have 2x equals 1 plus, so log 9 we can write it as 2 log 3 divided by, and log 4 we can write it as 2 log 2. So when 2 cancel 2 from here, so we have 2x equals 1 plus log 3, so divided by log 2. And then we have, so here let's say we have log a divided by log b, so this equals log a base b. So when you consider this, and we have to apply it to this, so that we have 2x equals 1 plus log 3 base 2. So when we divide both sides by 2, from here we are going to have 2 cancel 2, and the value of x here equals 1 plus log 3 base 2 all divided by 2. So here is the answer to this problem. So let's try and verify if this is equal. So we want to check if the answer we got satisfied the given problem. So here we are going to have 4 power x multiplied by 4 power x equals 36. So I will substitute this in the left hand side. We have 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 all divided by 2. We want to check if this equals 36. So from here is 4. We can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2 multiply by 2 to the power of 2 into bracket of 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2. So to show this equals 36, 2 cancel 2 here and 2 also cancel 2. Then we have 2 raised to power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power of 1 plus log 3 base 2. And by this, so we can separate this as 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. So anytime we have something like this, the base and the base of this logarithm are the same, we are going to take only 3. So 2 power 1 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So this equals, so 2 times 3, that is 6, multiplied by 2 times 3, we have 6. And 6 times this equals 32. And which shows that it equals 36. So it shows that 36 here equals 36. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So when we compare it with the given questions, therefore x equals 1 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 2 satisfy this question as it implies. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.